All right. Coming up next, y'all, please give it going for Tanisha.
Pixelated bodies in rows and columns, some standing, others lying, paving the way to an unjust cause. Blood spattered against dusty rocks, they inherit the genes of the lost souls, pose until the flags wave high to represent victory. Manslaughter, the new remedy to get your way, but the price we pay is breathtaking. Should be barrier-breaking, but we choose to use violence to silence others who don't fit in our views of a nation. So we say with the salvation and take away God's creation with the pull of a trigger, grenade, a gun. I'm wanting you to run before they suck you in. Picking up that pen is the way to express opinion, but let me not tell you about that ink-filled victory and epiphany on every piece of loose leaf, because I got something else to say. We've been fighting a war for a long time, war for crime, war for every nickel and dime we scrape day to day just to get by the wayside. And Buddha versus Jesus and celery against Reese's, our world is shattering to pieces. So we drafting every generation for backup, but backup, they fall faster than the first and can't get backup. So we back up from everything we stand for and fall for anything. Especially now that we have a black king, we think we have to do nothing. We've been brainwashed. Yes, brainwashed by the worldly attacks of the secular acts that we choose to pursue today. How we lay this up here down to prostitution or repetitive prosecution to submission to the syringes and swisher sweets with mysteries inside. And when we reveal a mess after we undress to have unprotected sex, oh how our pride slides down notch after notch once we noticed our fire crouching. Now you plead you didn't know, but just a day ago you were hollering, I'm grown. You went AWOL with the unhonorable discharge. They say our generation is all the same, having babies early and addicted to painkillers, claiming there's nothing to heal us. We've had too many casualties. So you're trying to tell me there's no way to raise self-esteem enough to keep the steam of hormones from making more babies, and poison inserted in the bloodstream is the only way to mend the heart, apart from the fact we've been bleeding internally. Bruises in every community, we can't see eye to eye, but I won't give up on us. They say we've been brainwashed, disguising our youth as the enemy when the true label is help wanted. We're looking for highly trained soldiers willing to enlist characteristics. Pride is high as 5'9" in the mind that can fire contagious explosives. Perseverance, endurance, and assurance of good faith. And I'm not talking about religion because we're obviously not on the same page, but my recruiters in the back, you're trying to get our truth of society back home, because we've been fighting the war for a long time and can't see eye to eye, but I won't give up on us.
Yeah. Tanisha. All right, boys. On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Hold up, pie. We have a low score of an 8.8. What? We have. Watch out now. Let's keep it family friendly, okay? Somebody get security over here. All right. Keep them up. We have an 8.8, a 9.4. A 9.7,